Hello everyone, it's Lurks here, welcome to my channel, and today, how to top up the windshield washer fluid on any vehicle. The windscreen reservoir bottle will always do the front and the rear windscreen washers. What you're looking for is a windscreen reservoir bottle with this symbol on the lid, and it's normally in the engine bay somewhere. You're going to need some fresh tap water, just put that in an empty bottle or a jug. And you're going to need some screen wash. Now make sure that you always use concentrated screen wash. So here's an example one here. We've got the blue lid and that symbol. This one's got a built-in filter just to catch any dirt or debris. And I'll just take you through a few various vehicles of what all the windscreen washer bottles look like. And they're nearly always blue, except for Renault, who decided to make theirs yellow because water is yellow, isn't it? No, thanks Renault. Now always use concentrated screen wash, never use pre-mixed screen wash because it is so expensive. Now if it's winter, use a lot of this because it's got antifreeze in it and it stops the screen wash freezing. If it's summer, you don't need as much. If you're not sure of the concentration, just check the instructions on the back of the bottle. It should tell you how many parts water to how many parts screen wash. At the moment it's summer, so I'm not going to use too much. And then we're going to use fresh tap water. Never be tempted to use water from a water butt because it will have bits of dirt in it and that will clog up your washer jet nozzles. So let's just top this up with water here. And there's a link above now about how to check car fuses without having to pull them out using a multimeter. And there we go, that's all nicely topped up there. So let's just remove the funnel. We'll put the cap back on. Put the cap back on. I think I'm going to put the kettle on because it's almost that time. Oh. If you would like more how-tos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.